Hello everyone, we are Team Control Alt Ost and we are here to present our project Khujo, a smart citizen-driven solution to combat smartphone theft in Bangladesh. Before we dive into our project, let me introduce our team. Azmain Mahata Bijaz, our DevOps and full-stack developer who is experienced with the merge stack and cloud deployment. Shafayat bin Islam Ryan, our backend developer who is skilled in cybersecurity and reverse engineering. I am Aniruddha Roy Orko, the UI UX designer, the co-founder of Breakup with an experience of creative design and product strategy. Meher Negar, our front-end developer focused on machine learning and full-stack web development. The situation we are having right now is every day over 500 phones are being stolen in Dhaka city alone. Across Bangladesh, more than 50,000 handset thefts occur each year, and bizarre events like 150,000 phones are currently being used under one single IMEI number. Victims currently have no reliable source to trace or recover their stolen phones. The police remain the only official channel for recovery, but in most cases, limited resource and low prioritization mean very few phones are ever found. Meanwhile, second-hand buyers often end up purchasing stolen devices unknowingly, and law enforcement struggle with fragmented data and weak connection linkage between handsets and SIMs. And this is exactly where Khujo comes in. Khujo is a centralized web platform that empowers citizens to fight smartphone theft together. Victims can report stolen phones by submitting their IMEI number, GD photo, and location, and buyers can verify the IMEI number before purchasing a second-hand device knowingly or unknowingly. And law enforcement can use Khujo's database to trace theft patterns and identify networks involved in illegal resale. In short, Khujo makes smartphone recovery smarter, safer, and community-driven. So how does Khujo work? When a user reports a stolen phone, Khujo uses AI-powered verification to check the authenticity of the evidence. For example, Khujo uses EXIF analysis, which verifies image metadata, error-level analysis, or also known as ELA, which detects tampering or edits, and a Hugging Face model, which identifies fake or AI-generated images. Khujo will be built using a modern and scalable tech stack. For example, Next.js for frontend, Express.js for backend, PostgRE SQL for data management, and JWT for authentication. So here's how the automation works. When a user uploads a photo of the general diary or any related documents, Khujo runs an EXIF analysis to check if the image metadata is real or has been altered. Then error level analysis detects if the image has been altered, cropped, or tampered in any way. Next, a Hugging Face model checks whether the image is AI generated or manipulated, ensuring that no fake reports entered the system. Finally, the Google Vision API automatically reads the IMEI number from the document and matches with the other documents provided by the user, creating a verified and traceable record in our database. All of these happens automatically, reducing manual review and making the process faster, more secure, and fraud-proof. Now let us have a quick overview of the entire system and how the AI is integrated into Khujo. So if someone loses their device, they will come to our website and navigate to lost report device. Afterwards, they will fill up the form and sign up to the website, and later they will click on report stolen device. And hereafter, they have to fill up the form giving their IMEI number 1 and IMEI number 2 and the location from where the phone was stolen. And they have to attach a photo of their general diary and an optional picture of the backside of their phone, along with the device name and the transaction ID from which we will be taking a small service charge. And afterwards, they will be clicking on submit report, and on our backend, the system will verify if the report is authentic or not. Now let's assume it from the buyer's perspective. For example, a user has went to buy a phone and they want to find if the phone is stolen or not. They will come to our website, write their IMEI number over here and click on search. If the data has been already enlisted in our website, the website will show a warning that the phone has already been stolen, and it will ask for the information of the user and from where the phone was found. And after the user has given all the required informations, they can click on submit report and our database will store the entire data. So what truly makes Khujo unique? AI-powered verification that detects fake or tampered evidence, hashed IMEI architecture that protects user privacy, and a community-driven recovery network that connects citizens, buyers, and authorities. Unlike traditional IMEI list, Khujo actively verifies, tracks, and protects, creating trust and accountability in every smartphone transaction. Our business model is simple and direct. We will follow a B2C model connecting directly to the consumers and charging 100 taka every verified report. Speaking of market opportunity, Bangladesh has over 190 million mobile users, which represents a TAM of 190 million US dollars. And our serviceable market, which are smartphone owners aged 18 to 65, makes up to 70% of the TAM, which is 133 million US dollars. And we aim to capture 10% of that at the early stage, which is 13.3 million US dollars. We will start by targeting urban smartphone owners and second-hand buyers, the people who are at the most risk. And our awareness campaign, Kinar Age Khujo, runs on Facebook and Instagram and other social media platforms. We will also collaborate with tech influencers who will help us make short explainer videos on how to use Khujo. Along with that, we will collaborate with police stations and mobile markets like Bosundhara City and Jamuna Future Park to drive adoption. Over the next 6 to 12 months, we plan to pilot Khujo in Dhaka, integrating existing police theft records and expand to different metropolitan areas like Chattogram, Khulna and Sylhet. And we target to reach 10,000 stolen phone reports and 50,000 IMEI checks within the first year. At Khujo, our mission is simple: to make every phone accountable, traceable and protected. Together, we can create a smarter, safer and more transparent Bangladesh. Thank you.